Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious couscous. So for this I am going to be using 2 cups of this tricolor couscous. You don't have to use the tricolor, you can use any type of couscous you want. And I have 2 teaspoons of butter and 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and I will be using 3 cups of liquids, but I have 1.5 cup of water in there and 1.5 cup of chicken stock, and of course a little salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so you want to start off by turning your stove on to medium high and go ahead and add the liquid. And we are going to go ahead and put our oil and the butter. And we want to allow this to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, then we can go ahead and put in our couscous. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and on Facebook, and check me out on Snapchat and also on Twitter. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay guys, our water has come to a boil. I went ahead and turned off the stove, and now you want to go ahead and put in your couscous and give it a stir. Okay, and now you want to cover it and remove it from the heat and let it sit for a good 15 minutes. And once it's done, we are going to fluff it nice and beautiful. Now you want to go ahead and remove the cover and go ahead and grab a fork, and we are just going to fluff it up. This is so delicious and so easy, and it does not take time at all to make. I'm going to be eating this with some harissa chicken, which I do have the video up on this channel, so you guys make sure you check out that chicken recipe. Okay, you guys know I have to taste, so I'm gonna taste. And of course it's done. And like I said, all I'm doing is fluffing it up. And this is pretty much it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share these videos with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to check out my other channel. It's a Haitian Creole channel. I only speak Creole in it. Share that channel with everybody that you know that don't speak English. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.